Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can switch sides in chess matches you have on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So let me navigate to that example match here I'm having in the practice mode against the computer. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here at the bottom below the move history. So you will see that symbol to the very right, switch sides. So if I click into it, let's see what's about to happen. There you go. Now you're playing basically the opponent's side, and you're also you basically take the position of the opponent, and you can do that in some of these play modes here on chess.com. Of course, it doesn't work always. If you play online against a human opponent, you probably can switch sides, but you can do that with the computer or in a practice mode against yourself. So guys, just look for that symbol, and if it is available inside the mode you're currently playing. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.